Chag Sameach. A wonderful Hanukkah to all of you. Just as wonderful, the collaboration between the International Jewish Sports Hall of Fame and the Jewish Coaches Association. I'm John Levinson, NCAA Women's Basketball Secretary Rules Editor, and I'm very happy to be with you tonight to light the candle for the first night of Hanukkah. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav, vetzivanu lechadlik ner shel Chanukah. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, she'asa nisim lavoteinu bayamim ha'em bazman hazeh. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, shehecheyanu v'kiyamanu v'higyanu lazman hazeh. Chag Sameach, happy Hanukkah to all.